All right, guys, we're in Huntington, Indiana. It's a small city or town, but looks really nice. And I'm ready to explore this city. I call this city. All right, let's try to see what's going on, okay? All right. We got a nice Rotary Centennial Park. Not bad, not bad. We got little stars there. It's a very nice park here. A small one, but it said stay off the tree. Okay, that's not bad. Let's go downtown. I mean, we're downtown, but let's go to the main drag, you know? Yeah. We got nice. Looks like a Big Ben. We got Big Ben. Cathedral over there. Big one. All right. Oh, they're renovating this nice building here. But anyway, that's a nice building right there too. But let's go explore this little, I just call this city, little city. All right. Let's go to this place here. All right. Okay. Nice. Very nice. Huntington, Indiana. But first, let me, you know, just like the cops, you know. Oh, that's the tail light, you know. So if something happens, at least I'm here. They'll know that I'm here. All right. Whoa, we got some basketball player, Huntington probably. We got the Nick's Kitchen. I think it's open. Nice. Let's go to the city hall. Actually, dude, I was going to Kentucky, and I was playing with my phone while I was driving, and this state trooper from right here from Huntington caught me, and I have to pay a fine, $120 ticket. That's what I did. So look at that. That is a nice restaurant. I might go out and see what's going on. Ooh, nice. Huntington. Oh, they got some mural here too. Looks nice. Mural. Look at that. Looks like a zebra. But it's, man, it's cold. Not cold, but it's about how many degrees? Blue color bar is out there. Nice. Oh, that building is so beautiful. Nice. You got a party shop. Nice. I'm telling you, Huntington is not bad. Look at all that architectures, dude. Like Europe. The cutting edge grids. Oh, nice. Oh, that's like a salon. Oh man, I want to go check that out. That building over there. Everything here in the U.S. It's like older building from 1800s, 1700s. It's here, and it's really beautiful. Some are like 1800 buildings. Look at that. Nice. Man, where can you get that architectures like that? Gigabagi? Whoa, what is this? A theater? Bohemian? Nice. Oh, looks like a smoke shop. I think it's a babe shop. Yeah, it's a babe shop. Yeah, it's a babe shop. Yeah, but it looks nice. Yeah. Let me go check that Crossroad cafe and restaurant. But anyway, yeah. Nice, man. Nice. It's a nice place. It's kind of cold a little bit, but yeah, nice out there. Nice. That's a nice down there too. It's so beautiful. Let's go out there, and then we'll go back that way. Yeah, it looks beautiful. All right, let's go check it out. They don't have no stop sign, or stop sign, but have no stoplight. Huntington, sweet spot, little sweet spot. Oh, that's the city hall. That's where I paid my fine. Yes. Okay, and there's a guitar shop here one time. Smith, let me see, furniture now. It's not, oh, let me see. Yeah, that is nice. Nice building. What year is this building? 1800s? Oh, 1848 to 1887. So nice. Very nice. All right. It looks so beautiful. The city, the building is really old. How you doing, sir? Yeah. And that's the city hall right there, or the municipal hall. Municipal hall. Let me see if the music store is still in here. Let me see. It's really good. Yeah, I love the walking. It's good. I love. Oh, they got a furniture shop here. Smith Furniture Shop. Nice. Yeah, they got Lazy Boy. Really nice. Oh man, I need a new one. All right. Oh yeah. Yep, that's the city hall. Yeah, that's the guitar shop right there, the bottom one. Yeah, I'm not going in there. Yeah, it's Cooper's Chord Music. Yeah, it's really nice. It's got a lot of stuff. Repair, buy, lesson, everything. All right, let's go that way. Whoa, man, it looks nice here. Wow. Oops. Menacing. It's really nice. Oh, they got camera too. Look at that. They got their own safety first. Yeah. Got camera. Alright. Let's go walk out there. Alright. I want to steer away from people because I don't want their faces to be shown in the video. You know. I mean, you don't know. It might be a serial killer. You know, he might get caught. But anyway, yeah, this is the National Bank. That's before, I think. But anyway, yeah. This is the Crossroad Cafe. Nice. Architecture is very nice. All right. I love the architecture. Okay, let's go out here. The Legend. Oh, are they open? Oh, they're closed. We got the market for Baptist. Oh, here's another European. Looks like a column, like a Roman Empire, kind of like architectures with columns and all that. Let's go check that out. Whoa, it's the beautiful building. Huntington is not bad at all. They got baby bath too. Look at that. That was before. Look at that. Oh, they got this. Yeah, that's the one I'm telling you. Column. All right, let's go this way. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's the Market Street right there. That's nice. All right. All right, guys, this is nice out there. All right, let's go back. It's not gonna be okay. All right. Okay. Nice. Look at that. It's a nice building. Whoa. 1904. Booth in Piper. 1904. It's nice, nice, nice. It's a lot of older buildings. You know, about 200 years old. This America is 200 years old. Oh, got some antiques here. All kinds of stuff. All right. Oh, wow. That's nice. Nice. Nice building. Very nice. I love the buildings, the structures, the architectures. All right, this is the party shop here. All right. Yeah. There's nice. Very nice. All right. Very nice. Yeah, those are nice buildings. Architectures. All right, we'll see you. We'll see you soon. We'll see you soon. But look at that. Yes, you can. That's a nice building right there. Very beautiful. Yeah. Oh. All right, guys. We'll just have to end this video here. And thanks for subscribing, and till next next adventure. All right, this is nice here. Until next adventure, follow me on my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe. All right, from Huntington, Indiana. I'll see you soon, brothers and sisters.